Welcome in our lecture number 11 part E, the presentation of quality objectives. These are the quality objective of undisclosed large-scale industrial organization having 3 number of large stores. That's why presenting 3 number of quality objectives. These objectives are for fiscal year 2021 to 2022. Objective number 1, inventory accuracy by 99.45% till June 2022 and then gradually increase. Maintain location and tagging accuracy to 99.45% till June 2022 and then gradually increase. Monitoring inventory of perishable item on fortnightly basis twice in a month and take corrective preventive measures. These quality objectives apply to all stores. All figurative data presented here are two types, the current quarters and the fiscal and the year-to-date cumulative. Please refer to legend. In current quarter, discrepancies observed in all three quality objectives of import store project 1 and presented here with current and cumulative data of. I am Syed Muhammad Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel AIMSAT. Kindly press subscribe button and also lightly press the bell icon so that you can get my every new video. For example, A. The physically checked. B. Found accurate. C. Discrepancy. D. Percentage. In all stores of Project 2 and Powerhouse, there are no discrepancy observed. Therefore, all current quarter as well as year-to-date data are 00. If you have any query, please feel free to contact with us on our given email address. Thank you for watching our video. Kindly also subscribe and like our channel.